Welcome back, guys. It's Big Ben's Crypto, and yes, as you tell by the title, today's video is not yield farming, nor it's not staking. Today's crypto being featured is a node project called Emerald. Now, as you can see here from my screen, the ICO is currently live right now, but we'll get right into that after we go through some of the fundamentals of the project. And it says this is basically the overview of Emerald nodes. Emerald nodes intend to serve as a pillar supporting the large majority of the Avalanche network by incentivizing nodes through a NaaS. As the daily number of smart contracts deployed on the Avalanche network grows at an exponential rate, the network will need to rapidly scale its sustainability in terms of its capacity for volume and traffic. Unfortunately, there's not much incentive to be a validator. Emerald seeks to strengthen the backbone of the network by adding rewards to running nodes and making it more user-friendly and developer-friendly. For now, Emerald nodes will be only available to run on the Avalanche network, though in the future Emerald nodes will exist on a larger multitude of networks. Users will be able to set up a node in seconds with a few clicks of a button and start yielding rewards immediately. Because of its existence on the Avalanche network, Emerald nodes will have substantially smaller fees than the majority of node protocols that exist, which we know. Here is basically the NFT information. As you can see, we have, in terms of the NFT tokens, we're going to have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, etc. This is the ERC 1155 NFT type. And as we scroll down, we can see how these tier NFTs will boost the rewards. So for example, the bronze NFT, which should basically boost the rewards by 0.025 emerald per day. The silver NFT will boost the node by 0.03 emerald a day. The gold NFTs will boost your node by 0.04 emerald a day, and the platinum NFT will boost your emerald by 0.25 per day, which is extremely great. So as you can see, the emerald facts and definitions. The governance token is Emerald. The name of the project is Emerald Nodes. It's on the Avalanche network. The original supply is 500,000 tokens, and this is how the tokens are allocated. 50,000 for marketing, developers, and the team. 25,000 allocated to the angel investors. 100,000 tokens will be circulating slash being inside of the liquidity, and 50,000 of those tokens will be sold at the ICO. 325,000 in the rewards pool, which is I like that. And token at the ICO will be 2 for 1, and the $20 will be per token at the ICO as well. This is node information. Currently, the only type of nodes available will be nodes as a service, which is NaaS for short. The level of effort is just a few clicks, few seconds. Rewards will be adjusted for sustainability based on many factors, not guaranteed. The claiming, you'll be able to claim rewards every block. 100% of our validator profit will be put into the node rewards pool. Now this is the different tiers and how much these different tiers will be earning per day. So there are basically 6 node tiers, which is X to 5. So as you can see, the yield is measured per 24 hours. So the X tier earns 0.5 emerald daily, which is nice. The tier 1 earns 0.2 daily. The tier 2 earns 0.1 daily. The tier 3 enters 0.075 daily, and the tier 4 enters 0.06 daily. And the tier 5, which I believe is the cheapest one, is 0.025 daily. The distribution of the node cost and the contribution. 20% of the cost goes to the node maintenance fee and setup. 20% goes to those who add liquidity to the AVAX to Emerald. 60% goes into the node rewards pool, and distribution subject to change over time. As stated in the overview, Emerald nodes will have considerably lower fees than many other node protocols that exist today. All transaction fees will be negligible. 1 USD based on the price of AVAX of the 24th of January, which this is already passed. There will be no longer monthly fees for nodes, nor there will be any additional fees to claim rewards beyond the minimum network fee. The Emerald by tax is 2%, and this is subject to change as well. So there's the bond and the treasury information, the backing per node. As you can see, you could check the calculation of how it is done. Liquidity. As stated before, we reward those who contribute to the AVAX to the Emerald liquidity pool. 20% of the node costs will be redistributed to the contributors of this pool. The whitelist slash the VIP. There are 250 whitelist spots. Each member will receive a free random tier node, either 1 to 5, and have access to purchase the X nodes, which, and if we keep that the current price, which should be making like $10 per day. To be whitelisted, you need 20 verified Discord invites. Inviting bots will disqualify you and get you banned from all Emerald communities and be an active community member. There are 50 Emerald list spots. Each member will receive exclusive access to airdrops and receive a free booster NFT when they release. To be Emerald listed, you you must be whitelisted. Have 50 verified invites to the Discord and be an active member in the community, which is level 7. And in conclusion, we aim to bring NaaS to the Avalanche network and improve upon strong block sustainability. There's a current lack of incentive to run Avalanche validators, and we hope to become a critical part of securing and decentralizing the Avalanche network. With Emerald nodes, it's easy and stress-free to make passive income and help grow and sustain the Avalanche network. So yeah, by reading all that, we can see that they really have a definite goal in mind. And as we scroll down here, as I told you before, the ICO is live right now, so you guys can come and invest. That is not financial advice. I'm just saying if you do want to invest, you can. So as you can see, the remaining limit right now is 8,867.02 AVAX. And right now, for one AVAX, which is around $68 right now, you can receive 3 Emerald for one AVAX. The minimum you can deposit is around, I guess, 68 cent. If my math serves me correct, yeah, 68 cent. So if you guys feel like you need to get in on this ICO, you can, well, the link will be in my description, and you can head over and deposit some AVAX and get some of these Emerald tokens. Yeah, right now they're having a giveaway, 25 AVAX and 25 Emerald. This ends on the 2nd, which is today at 5 p.m. If you want more information, you can head up to the Discord and the Twitter. So the Avalanche nodes, the nodes are not yet launched, but they will be launched on the 18th of February. Nodes coming soon. We hope to release the nodes to the public at the on. We hope to release the nodes coming soon. We hope to release the nodes to the public on the 18th of February. There's a limited number of each tier and nodes distributed on a first come first serve basis. Please check out our white paper for more, and that's what we just went through. So as you can see, 10 tokens for one node. And you can see the APY here for the X. For node X, you're receiving 1800 APY. For node 1, you'll receive for the tier 1 node, you're receiving 730. For the tier 2, you're receiving 365. So that's basically 1% daily. For the tier 3, you're receiving 273 APY. The tier 4, you're earning 219% APY, and the tier 5, which is the cheapest one, is earning 185% yearly. So as you can see down here is the bonding, and it says anyone be able to purchase the Emerald bond. All bonds will sell at a 25% discount from the market value. After 7 days, your tokens will be unlocked and able you to sell. There will be a limited amount of bonds per 24 hours. As you can see, this is not here as yet. Liquidity, you can stake your LP tokens and receive 50 to 100% rewards. Rewards can be claimed daily. Oh, this is nice. I like this. I might probably provide some liquidity for the LP. As you can see, there's your treasury. It's not come yet. The NFTs, we already went through the different NFTs and how much they'll be adding, how much they'll be boosting your stake, how much they'll be boosting rewards daily. As you can see, you can meet the team here. Check all of them out on LinkedIn, and here is the email address just in case you wanted to get in touch with any of the members of the team. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.